morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 5 in SST, and the chapter name is Life in Temperature Zones. Life in Temperature Zones. Do you know the meaning of zones? What is the meaning of zones? Okay. An area that is different from those around it. For example, because something special happens there. Okay. So in this chapter, we will read about different area and their lifestyle also. We will learn how temperature affect their lifestyle. Okay, so now before reading the chapter, we will learn about some points. The first one is equatorial forest. Equatorial forest. We will learn about equatorial forest climate. Its climate is hot and humid and with heavy rainfall. It means here heavy rainfall happen and here's climate is hot and humid. What about that? Equatorial forest. Okay. And which type of vegetation found here? Vegetation, it means trees and plants. Okay, vegetation, it means trees and plants. Okay, so in equatorial forest, dense forest containing evergreen trees. Evergreen trees, it means who always full with leaves. Okay, that is called evergreen trees. Now we will learn about wildlife. In this forest, elephants, jaguars, anacondas and so on wild animals you can find. What type of people found here? People mainly pygmies and duikers. Okay, they are the tributaries. Okay, they are the tributaries. So most of pygmies and dikes you can found here. So this was about equatorial forest. Equatorial forest की climate hot and humid होती है और यहाँ heavy rainfall हुआ करती है. Vegetation it means अगर हम plants और trees की बात करें तो यहाँ पर evergreen trees पाए जाते हैं जो dense forest से घिरा हुआ है. ओके, काफ़ी घना जंगल पाया जाता है जिसमें evergreen trees पाए जाते हैं. वाइल्ड लाइफ की बात करें तो यहाँ पर एलिफेंट्स, जैगुआर्स, एनाकोंडास जैसे एनिमल्स पाए जाते हैं. पीपल, ओके, पीपल मेनली फाउंड यू कैन हियर पिग्मीज एंड डाइक्स. ओके, नाउ टेम्परेचर ग्रासलैंड. टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड. ग्रासलैंड इट मीन्स, what is the meaning of grassland? Grassland it means a large area of often land covered with wild grass. Okay, यानी wild grass से वो covered होता है. It is called temperate grassland. And what is the climate here? Hot summer and cold winter in northern hemisphere and comparatively mild in southern hemisphere. What about the vegetation? Vegetation, tall trees and arbuescent and grasses are found. Wildlife, rabbits, rats, antelopes and so on wild animals you can find here. People, mainly Hottentots and Kyrgyz. Okay, mainly Hottentots and Kyrgyz found here. Hot desert. Its climate is very hot and dry during the day and cold during the night. Okay, hot and dry during the day. डे टाइम में हॉट एंड ड्राई होती है and cold during the night. Night के समय में cold होती है. Vegetation, what type of vegetation found here? Cactus, acacia and date palms. Because very less water is here, so this type of vegetation found here. Wildlife, camels, hyenas, scorpions and so on wild animals found here. People, Bedouin and Tuaregs. Okay, Bedouin and Tuaregs found here. Frigid zones. Do you know about the meaning of frigid zones? Frigid zones, just I am showing you. You have learned in previous chapter about the zones, frigid zones. Okay, so now just I am showing you. Okay students, so as you can see, heat zones of the earth, and you can find frigid zone in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, frigid zone is the area located between frigid zone, Arctic Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Okay, so this was the area of frigid zone, and in northern hemisphere the frigid zone area is Arctic Circle and North Pole. So you can find frigid zone in northern hemisphere between Arctic Circle and North Pole, and you can find frigid zone in southern hemisphere and between Arctic Circle and South Pole. So this was the frigid zone. Okay students, so here climate is very cold throughout the year. पूरे साल यहाँ ठंड रहती है. Vegetation, what type of vegetation found here? Mosses, lichens and scanty grasses. What about the wildlife? Seals, polar bears, foxes and so on wild animals found here. People, Inuit, Lopes and Chukchis found here. So students, this was about the temperature zones. So temperature zones are divided into 4 parts. The first one is equatorial forest. Okay, so temperature zones are divided into 4 parts: equatorial forest, temperate grassland, hot deserts, frigid zones. Okay, and we have read about their climate, vegetation, wildlife and people. So in different temperature zone we can find different climate, different vegetation and different wildlife, different people. Okay, so we will learn one by one about these temperature zones. The first one is equatorial forest. Okay, so the world is divided into different temperature zones. Each zone has a special kind of vegetation and animal life depending on its climatic condition, such as temperature, amount of rainfall and so on. So equatorial forest, temperate grassland, hot desert and frigid zone are the major vegetation zones found on the earth. Okay, so first one is equatorial forest. Equatorial forest, where this is known as a rainforest. Okay, so the first one is Amazon rainforest, which is in South America continent. Second is Madagascar lowland forest, which is in Africa. Ituri rainforest, which is in Africa. Hawaiian rainforest, which is in North America. Harappan rainforest, which is in Asia. Okay, so these was the rainforest which we can found in these continents. Okay, now So first one is area. Area located on both sides of the equator falls in the torrid zone. Okay, so we are reading about equatorial forest. Equatorial forest is lies in the torrid zone. Description: evergreen forest, also called tropical rainforest. Okay, which type of vegetation you can found? You can found evergreen forest, which is also known as tropical rainforest. Climate: very hot climate with very little variation in temperature and no variation in seasons, whether is either hot or humid, is whatever is that. And hardwood, mahogany, ebony and rosewood, also rubber and cinchona, found in evergreen forest. Okay, so in evergreen forest you can found hardwood, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, also rubber and cinchona. What about the wildlife? Tropical rainforests support the greatest variety of living organisms. People such as tribes such as pygmies on Congo and the dikes of Borneo. Pygmies live in house made with sticks and leaves. They are hunter gatherers also. Okay. So students, today we will read about only equatorial forest. We will continue with temperate grassland in next class. So till now you will read this chapter.